Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, the Honorable Lecturer Mrs. Ika Handayani MPD and all of my beloved friends. Today I'm going to do a micro teaching for 11th grade on senior high school. I hope this video will give benefits for us. That's all. Thank you. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello students. Welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about personal letter. But before we start the class, I want the chief of the class, the leader of the class, to lead us to pray. For Helga, can you lead us to pray together?
All right, ma'am. Okay, friends, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
All right, thank you, Helga. I will share screen. Can you see my PPT, students? Students, are you here with me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about personal letter. Does anyone in here already know about personal letter? The definition of personal letter? Who knows about personal letter? Hello, students. Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so does anyone in here know about personal letter? The definition?
Personal letter is surat pribadi, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Anissa, for answering me. Does anyone in here wants to add some point about the definition of personal letter? Yeah, who's speaking now?
Personal letter is an informal handwritten letter, ma'am.
All right, that's correct. Thank you, Nesia, for answering me. So, more specifically, the definition of personal letter is a kind of informal letter that is usually includes a personal letter between the receivers and the sender who are friends, family, or relative. And it aims to give information, to inform, or to share the thoughts, love, or even the experience that they have been experienced before. Okay, so far, there is any question about the definition of personal letter?
No, ma'am.
All right, so now we move to the expression of greetings and closing in personal letter. In the greetings, we can use to Vincent, Bobby, or blah, blah, blah to the receiver, to whom, yeah. For example, to Anissa, I want to send a letter, personal letter to Anissa. So in the greetings, I say to Anissa, or we can use hi, and then write down the name of the receiver, and we can use dear mom, dad, or sis, or we can use my lovely Christina or Marissa or my lovely Anissa, and then we can use my dearest friend, my dearest mom, or my dearest aunt, and we can use hello, And we can use my favorite person, like my favorite person, daddy, mom, sister, or brothers. And in closing, we can use the expression like hugs, thanks, kisses, yours, take care, hugs and kisses, love, with love, lots of love, or with lots of love. And now we are moved to the structures of personal letters. In
Sorry,
the-
ma'am, but the slide
Yes.
doesn't move.
Sorry, so I will stop share and then try to reshare my screen. Udah pindah belum slide-nya? Udah kelihatan?
Sudah,
Sudah.
ma'am.
Okay. Now we are talking about structures of personal letters. In the heading, in the top of the letters, there are a date, the tanggal suratnya, and then in the top juga ada alamat. Kita cantumin alamat, address, and salutation. Di greetings tadi ya. Itu salutation. Bisa pakai my dear. My dear, bisa pakai my dear, my dearest, my favorite, hello, hi, and such as. Many more ya. And then in the body of the letters, the first sentence must be the introduction. Usually people use how are you? And then after introduction, they continue to write down the content of the letter, the ends of the letter. And in the bottom of the body, they use closure, the closing sentence, like I will see you soon. And then in the bottom of the letter, there are closing and signature. Closing, like we are like I explained before, you can use hugs, thanks, kisses, yours, take care, hugs and kisses, or love, lots of love, with love, and many more. But in here, the sender use lots of love, and then the signature is the initial name of the sender. So far, have you understood, students? Do you have any question?
No, ma'am. I understood.
All right, thank you, Anissa. Okay, so after I explained about the expression and the structure and the definition, now I want one of you or all of you to read these letters, this example. Can you see it? I'll give you 3 minutes to read these letters, and then I want you to Miss Pain, kalian nyebutin ini struktur apa yang warnanya beda ya. The purple, there is 4 numbers of the structure. I want you to analyze the structure of the purple one, okay? I give you 3 minutes, students.
Slide-nya nggak keubah lagi, ma'am.
I'm sorry, I think my signal is unstable. I try to reshare my screen. Udah kelihatan? Udah coba belum?
Sudah, Ma'am.
Okay, so I give you 3 minutes to analyze the structures of the letter, okay? All right, I think it's already 3 minutes because our time is limited, okay? I want one of you to mention what structure is from this sentence. Is there any one of you want to try to answer? The number 1, how are you? How are you? Hello? Is any one of you wants to answer what the structure is this? How are you? Okay, so for number 1, because nobody's answer me, number 1 is bonus. I'll tell you the answer. So number 1, how are you? It's introduction. And then after in the top of the letters, there is the date, the address, salutation, and then introduction, and then the body, the content of the letters. And then what kind of structures is the number 2? See you soon. What kind of structure is this?
Closure, Ma'am.
All right, good job, Elga. Thank you for answering me. So that's great. This closer because and here si Jane itu sudah selesai menuliskan suratnya. Jadi di kalimat penutup biasanya si pengirim surat pasti menggunakan see you soon untuk si penerima surat. Oke, next number 3, sincerely. Siapa yang mau coba? Who wants to try?
Sincerely, Ma'am.
Yes. What kind of structure is it? Helga?
Closing, Ma'am.
All right. Good job. Thank you, Helga. Yes. The Helga answer is correct. Sincerely is closing. And how about the number 4? Anissa? How about the number 4? What kind of structure is this? Anissa? You here with me? Hello? Or Kinanti? You here with me?
Yes.
What kind of structure is the number 4?
Is it a signature?
Yes. Thank you, Kinan. Excellent. So this is a signature. Biasanya di signature itu si pengirim surat mencantumkan namanya aja ya, cuma nulis namanya aja. Atau bisa juga cuma inisialnya aja, misalkan JJ or J. Okay, that's all for today. So for today, you are able to know the definition, the expression of the greetings and closing in personal letters, and then you know the structures of personal letters. Now for the next week, I want you to make a group that consists of 2 students or 3 students, and then find an example of personal letter. And then I want you to analyze the structure of the personal letter. And for next week, our material is the same as today. It is about personal letter, but for next week, we are going to learn about the language features of personal letters. That's all for today, class. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye,
Now,
ma'am.
For your attendance list, I give your attendance in Google Form on WA ya. Don't forget to fill the attendance, okay?
All right, ma'am.